Hi parents, I just wanted to bring this video or make this video for you. I had a parent reach out to me and let me know that the laptop that her child was using was a little slow. So there is one tip that can help this process. So if you go down to the start button and find that little kind of looks like a flower. I hope you see this in the video. You click on setting, then you find update and security. You want to go here, check for updates. I'm not going to do it now, but if you click on it, it will update your laptop. Okay, so follow that to update the laptop, and then as soon as you do that, click restart. Okay, so I hope this video helps. If your laptop, I guess the district laptop in particular, or all laptops, either mine, could run a little slow. You also want to go into clear cookies and clear cache. I will try to create a video for that in case someone needs that as well.